Hey, welcome back to the Texas Hillbilly channel. My name is Jared. This is Sam. This for us is Mechanic Fridays. So today we're going to do a little bit of upholstery work, particularly the panels on the inside that go around the porthole, because they look like this. Okay. The wood's all warped, whatever you call this stuff, and like brittle. Unfortunately, these clips, I need these clips, but I don't know how to attach them to the new wood, and I don't know exactly where to attach them. We need these, and I don't really know where to attach those. Oh, they're all brittle too. Oh, that sucks. We might have to order this stuff. Or just do what they did. The previous owner just used
Phillips screws.
Drywall screws. And just screwed it in. We could do that. That's fine actually. So let's what we got to do, put that somewhere it won't break, because it's probably brittle too. And we got to peel this carpet off and try to retain this wood, and then put it on top, use that as a template, and cut out another piece of wood. Okay? Another thing, I wonder if we should find some sort of insulation material. Peel it like a scab. You're good at peeling scabs, right?
Looks glued on right there. Oh, that looks terrible. Are those egg sacs?
Probably where the lizard was living. This is which side? Driver or passenger? This is passenger. The lizard was living in this area. So that's lizard poo and lizard egg sacs. Yeah, it is. That's nasty. Make sure you get that all up in your mouth.
Ew.
Sherman, are you turd? I didn't realize I set that on the ground. What are you doing? You chewing up Pinto parts? I guess we're not keeping that. Now this will dramatically improve the smell inside the car. Usually when cars stink, it's because of water, you know?
This carpet has held a bunch of water.
Yep.
Right?
Pretty nasty stuff.
It feels it too.
Ooh. Yeah, it stinks. And I've cleaned these. I pressure washed them. Oh, it's gross.
I'm staying away from that.
It's peeling a layer of this off, which is actually helpful.
Yeah, Sherman. He like hopped up whenever he crunched.
Wood stuck in here.
I'm like making a template of that.
Oh, we got it. Okay. Is that complete template? It is. Son, what are you doing? Oh, that? You're almost there.
There it is. Whew.
Good
It's
job.
open.
Crisis averted.
I thought we were gonna need to call the fire department.
This wood's not long enough.
Perfect.
Great. All right, so what we got to do, we got to go buy some more of this Luann or whatever, because our pieces are too short. But first, let us show you what we want to finish this in. Check this out.
Dun, dun.
What better material to use than, I know it's cowhide, but it's kind of like Pinto colors. If it was bigger spots, it would be Pinto colors. But
Yeah.
that inside with the orange will be pretty epic, I think.
I think it'll look real good.
So if this over here, how would that look? This is gonna be, you know, like a hidden little touch of Flair, you know? Well, as if this isn't Flair enough, but that's kind of cool, right? Oh, you doing the balancy thingy, Sherman? That's cool. I think it's gonna look good.
Yeah.
And it's a fairly thick material. We'll try to glue this down, but you know, we should probably go to Hobby Lobby and get some of that, what do you call that material that goes under it?
Oh crap.
It's okay, Sherman could eat that. We gotta get that material that goes under it that kind of is like, adds a little bit of padding, and it softens it going around the corners. Cool thing is, we don't have to be perfect about this, because it's obviously not perfect, but where the portholes are, as those plastic trim pieces that Sam had earlier, they'll hide any sort of stretches or cuts or whatever.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. It's been a week. It's Mechanic Friday again. What have we been doing for a week?
Doing school stuff.
School stuff and work. Working on the tiny home a bit.
Shut up. Can't believe they didn't use Pinto cruising lounge for like mail vans or something. So big.
So big.
The back, like, imagine how much boxes you could fit in here.
I guess if I lose my job, I could try to become a rural mail carrier. I'll use the Pinto for it. So last week we were going to try to make the side panels and we didn't have the material we needed. I thought I did, but I didn't. So we went and bought the material. That's the paneling we might do the roof or the headliner with. They call it hardboard, I think. This is HDF Canyon Yellow Random Grooved. But this is like thicker, like 3/16. What we need to do is like kind of like set this here and draw a line around it and cut it out. But because of how wet this thing gets, I wonder if it shrunk. So I kind of want to stick it up in the car and see if it looks like it's too small.
Think with your brain.
Yeah, think with your brain. This is the squirrel's home, or the lizard's home.
I think his name was like Bob or something.
Bob the lizard. I mean, I feel like I need to add a 1/4 inch. We could always trim it down if we have to.
But also there's gonna be material, so it might like puff up.
Yeah, exactly. That'll hide our imperfect cuts and discrepancies in size, right? So like this edge we can do no problem. This I'll connect a straight line because this is all warped. I'll connect a straight line to like here. Because this is obviously shrunk in. Alright, there it is. Just see if it's anywhere close.
It looks it.
So we got to make an arch down here, which kind of sucks. It's going to be hard to cut. Ready? Don't you nod?
Please work. That looks good.
Is it?
Yeah.
Last time. Do you believe me?
No. Come on. You got a stain on it already?
That's sweat. I'm dripping with sweat.
Wow.
Looks perfect on this end. How's your end look?
I feel like you've got to trim it a little more down.
Just that little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Last time?
Hopefully. I don't know about your cutting though.
Thanks. So. I think we're good.
Wait, scoot it back. Okay.
Push the bottom in. It looks good. Looks perfect, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's mark the circle.
Mark around it.
We need one of those giant fans on the ceiling, you know? The quiet ones.
Yeah, the
Big A fans.
Mhm.
Because any fan we run is so loud we can't record. Fan. I don't know if it's drawing or not. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Okay, we got a circle mostly. I'll spin this around or something.
There we go. That looks pretty good.
Essentially, we can.
Thanks.
Set that corner somewhere around there, this corner around here. Looks good.
Sure it can stick to like fabric?
What's that?
Are you sure it can stick to
This is going to stick this material to it. Then we'll come back, we'll glue on this material to it as well. And then wrap it when we're done. So it'll be alright. Push it down on the board all around there and make sure it appears good. I wish this table's a little bit bigger. All right, I got carried away and forgot to record, but I glued, I don't know what you saw us do. I glued the boards to the foam. This one I glued the foam or the cowhide material to the foam, or what do you call it, the batting. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is glued to a board right now. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a bunch of glue on here. Let that kind of tack up a little bit, and then we'll set it on the cowhide. All right, having a rush because I'm gonna go take lunch to Lily. Perfect. Okay. Here. Top of each other. Let's break for lunch, and then we'll check on these when we get back. We'll wrap them around the edges, finish the holes, and hopefully mount them. There you go. Sam's got the pizza, keeping it safe. Lily, what are you doing? Taking all the pepperonis off? Are you happy that you got pizza? What are you doing?
In 15 minutes.
Okay.
I was trying to spell 15. I'm measuring this little square to see how much insulation we need.
All right, while Sam's doing that, I'm gonna get these, see how they turned out. Okay, here's a panel.
Can I do that?
Yes, you can do the next one.
That's in there.
That's in there. So
Sorta.
what? That's good enough. So let's duplicate that.
Hi, yeah.
Yeah, do it again. Yeah. Give me 5. Great job. We gotta start on this edge because it's long. Let me start it, and I'll let you like get going after that. See? And then just pull this way. You wanna do it? Go ahead.
Middle?
Yeah, just do the middle there. Push down here really hard when you squeeze this. Good job.
Why do you need to push that?
Because that's where the staple pushes in, and a lot of people when they push down here to make this thing like enter the staple, they end up lifting the front, and then it doesn't push as hard in. You know what I mean? All right, so let's do it here. Good job. They sell these where you push down in front to make it go click, you know? Much better designed staplers. Got it. Let's see how it looks.
That's awesome.
Isn't that cool? That's pretty rad. We just need to clean all the debris off of it, but
In the corners.
it's looking good. Yes, of course, we still got to cut our circle out, but let's ready to do corners. Let's do the easiest corner first, which is this one. So you find the middle of the corner, and you pull it this way. Let's go ahead and staple.
Nice.
Beautiful job. All right, that's gonna be the hardest corner. You wanna knock it out? Yeah. How's that look?
That's nice.
It's so pretty. I love it. Good job. So that is it.
Awesome.
Now we just gotta cut the circle out. We don't want to cut it out. We're gonna put some crosses. Let's flip it over. All right, at this point, this one's not cut yet, so what we're gonna do is kind of like make some X's.
Pizza bite.
Yeah, we're making a pizza. Make some pizza cuts. You can cut it all the way to the edge. I don't know why I was hesitant, because that plastic has a flange. So go ahead and put a staple right here. clock is finishing. This is mostly installed. I really only have like one screw up high, but as I was screwing it in, the metal washer, this little like furniture washer, spun and like cut the material, so it kind of ruined it. But it's mostly held in. I had to use bigger washers over there because the same thing happened. From like 20 foot, it looks really good, right? Got 2 screws holding this one in, but you know, I'll finish this up, but look how it looks. It's pretty rad, right? I love it. Next video will probably be on the gas tank. I gotta get the gas tank in so that I can make this engine run. I'm really looking forward to this engine running on its own, you know, not having to feed it starting fluid. I want to see it run on the fuel, in the fuel tank. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you got any questions, comment down below. If you want to see future content, please subscribe to this channel. Also subscribe to the Texas Hillbilly Homestead, where we have a tiny home build that is going live, or probably went live last week. Check out that, follow along. That's all the off-topic stuff or anything that's not exactly automotive related. Check us out on Instagram at TexasHillbillyJ. Anyways, thanks for watching this episode, and we'll see you next time. What'd Sam say last time? Hillbilly out.